Hello po, Buday. Balita na po yung inyong PS Vita Slim unit na in-order niyo po sa amin. White variant. So this includes already a 512 gig SD card na inserted na po sa inyong PS Vita unit. Now this order is going to Makati City, Metro Manila. So yung mga game request po ninyo, nilagay namin siya sa isang bubble folder. Siya. So we have here yung mga Gravity Rush, Uncharted, Mortal Kombat, God of War, ano ba to? Street Fighter X Tekken, and marami pang iba. Yung iba, andito po. But of course, you can check other PS Vita games kasi marami po tayo mga naka-install dito. Now, let me show you first yung ating buttons. Well, na-stress test na rin namin yung inyong unit. This is just for our video demo para mapakita din po namin sa inyo. So we have our LR, circle, X square, triangle, directional buttons, left analog and our right analog, select start, our touch screen sa harap, and we also have touch screen sa likod. So all buttons working. Now, let me also show you yung charging ng ating unit. So once you plug in your charger dito sa inyong PS Vita na unit, you'll notice na magkakaroon po na parang lightning icon dito sa battery icon natin. So, plug ko lang first. Yun sa charger, that's included, ayan. So let's just leave it charging for now. And then if you would like to access ng isang tinginan lang yung ating mga PS Vita games, you can just open yung ating RetroFlow na launcher. Kasi aside from yung mga requested PS Vita games ninyo, we also have a few others that you can choose and play with. So let's open one of your requested game, yung ating Street Fighter X Tekken na game. Street Fighter Cross Tekken. And then aside of course from our PS Vita games, you can also play PSP games naman by accessing our Adrenaline na application. So for our PSP games, we also have here yung mga God of War, Tekken, Marvel games, and marami pa pong iba. Now you can check dito po sa folder na to, and then you can open yung ating, ito po lang, Vita/3D. Because this would also allow you to play games like yung mga Half-Life, Counter-Strike, ayan. Then meron din po tayo dito mga Grand Theft Auto na mga games, Dead Space, Max Payne. So these are all the PS Vita games. Then PSP games we also have. You can also access PKGI, wherein it would allow you to download the PS Vita games directly online. So ito yung mga pwede po ninyong ma-download na Vita games. Now, of course, aside from those games that I've mentioned, you can open our RetroArch application because this one would allow you to play all games like yung mga Nintendo games natin, Game Boy, etc. So marami po kayong mapagpipili ang mga games dito. Actually, for our RetroArch, retro games, we have over more than thousands of games that you can choose. Yeah. So we have here yung mga Capcom games, Namco, yeah. Nintendo Classics. So again, meron po tayo dito over thousands of games, retro games that you can choose. For example, under our Nintendo Entertainment System, you can scroll down kasi marami pa po kayong mga games na malalaro po dito. Yan. Super Nintendo, Famicom, Game Boy. Game Gear, Sega, and marami pa ito. So okay na po yung inyong order. Bali, papack na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin po yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!